Welcome to VLearn's online class of NCS 021. In this session we will discuss about advanced data structures, and in advanced data structures we will discuss about AA trees. As we see in the previous session that red-black trees have introduced a new property in the binary search tree, that is an extra property of color that can be either red or black. Now, AA trees are defined in terms of levels of each node instead of storing the color bit of each node. Red-black trees used to have various conditions to be satisfied regarding its colors, and AA trees have also been designed in such a way that it should satisfy certain conditions regarding its new property, that is the level. The level of node will be as follows, that is same of its parent if the node is red, 1 if the node is leaf, and level will be less than 1 less than the level of its parent if the node is black. And any red-black tree can be converted into AA tree by translating its color structure to levels such that the left child is always 1 level lower than his parents and right child is always same or at 1 level lower than its parent. You can see AA trees are also known as binary B trees. The BB tree is a red-black tree with an extra condition, that is any node may have at most 1 red child. Some conditions to make it simpler: only right child can be red and code functions recursively. Instead of colors, store information in small integer. 1 if node is leaf, the level of its parent if node is red, and 1 less than the level of its parent if node is black. Now, what are the advantages of AA trees? AA tree simplifies algorithms. AA trees simplifies algorithm by eliminating half of the restructuring cases, simplifying deletion by removing an annoying case, that is if an internal node has only 1 child, that child must be a red right child, and we can always replace a node with the smallest child in the right subtree, and it will either be a leaf or have a red child. Now next is links in AA tree. A horizontal link is a connection between a node and a child with equal levels. Horizontal links are right references, and there cannot be 2 consecutive horizontal links. Nodes at level 2 or higher must have 2 children, and if a node has no right horizontal link, then its 2 children are at the same level. You can see the example of AA tree. 30 with a horizontal link of 30, there is 70. 70 has 2 child, that is 50 and 85. 60 and 50 are in horizontal link. Similarly, 35 and 40 are in horizontal link. Now, if you want to insert a new item in AA tree, then the new item is always inserted at the bottom level, and in the previous example, inserting 2 will create horizontal left link. If you insert 2, then it will create horizontal left link. Then in the previous example, inserting 45 generates consecutive right link. If you insert 45, then it will generate consecutive, that is 50 has already 1 horizontal link, that is 60, and it will create another horizontal link, that is 45. Which will be inserted after 40. After inserting at the bottom level, we may need to perform the rotations to restore the horizontal link properties. Now, it can be restoring by skew, that is remove left horizontal links in this way. If P has two child, that is A and B, and X has one child, that is C, and P is at horizontal link of X, then in the skew process, we can remove the horizontal links by skewing. You can see in this example, skew can be used to remove the left horizontal link. And splitting. Splitting is also a function which is used to remove the two consecutive horizontal links. Means there are two problems that can occur in case of AA trees while inserting new elements, and skew and split are the functions that can be used to remove these problems. That is, skew is used to remove the left horizontal link and splitting is used to remove the consecutive horizontal links. If there are consecutive horizontal links like this, then you can remove these consecutive links by using the splitting process, split process, or you can say split function, in which consecutive links are removed, such as P becomes a root node and X and G becomes the child of P. You can see the information about skew and split. The skew removes the left horizontal link. Skew might also create consecutive right horizontal links, and first we must apply skew, then use split if necessary, and after a split the middle node increases a level which may create a problem for the original parent. This is all about the AA trees and skew and split process in AA trees while searching and inserting elements in AA tree. Now, next is trees. Now, what is tree? It is also a binary search tree and has one property different from the other types of tree. Each node in the tree stores an item, a left and right pointer, and a priority that is randomly assigned when a node is created. And while assigning a priority, it is necessary that the heap order priority should be maintained. That is, node's priority should be at least as large as its parent. Tree is both the binary search tree with respect to node elements and a heap with respect to the node priorities. You can see the definition of tree, in which each node store an item, left and right link, and a priority. And tree is binary search tree with the property that the node priorities satisfy heap order, and any node's priority must be at least as large as its parents. This is all about trees. That's all for this session. Thank you.